Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our online classes. So, today we are going to discuss a small topic about decomposition. So, we can see a lot of plants and animals in the forest. After the death of animals or plants, so what happened to the dead body? So, it is a few months later, it disappear from the forest. How does it happen? So, it is because of this process, decomposition. So what do you mean by decomposition? The process in which complex organic matter are broken down into simple forms. That means dead remains of plants and animals are broken down. That is, organic matter are broken down into simple forms and it is mixed with the soil or returned to the soil. So that is called decomposition. It is a process of broken down of organic matter into inorganic matter. Okay, so that is called decomposition. It is happened because of microorganism present in the soil. Here there are several factors determine the rate of decomposition. Okay, the first one is soil quantity. Okay, so rate of decomposition determine several factors. First one is soil quality. So sometimes the rate of decomposition is so fast, sometimes is very slow. It is depend upon the soil quantity, the texture of the soil. Okay, and abundance of microorganism. If the forest contain maximum number of microorganism, so the rate of decomposition also so fast, because decomposition take place in the presence of this kind of microorganisms. And next one, moisture content. So the water content of the forest or soil. Okay, so the microorganism live in such a moisture area, so it will be increase the rate of decomposition. Okay, then the same times temperature also depend or determine the rate of the decomposition, and high aeration. The air present in the soil also increase the rate of decomposition, and pH of the soil, and composition of the organic matter which need to be broken. So what are the organic matter need to be broken? So that what is the composition of the matter also depend the rate of decomposition. Okay, so these are the factors determine the rate of decomposition in the forest. If the forest or the soil contain proper pH and high aeration and high moisture and abundance of microorganism, then the rate of decomposition also increase in the forest. And the last one is climate. So climate also depend on the rate of decomposition. When the decomposition take place, the all soil is enriched with all kind of nutrients, because dead bodies or dead remains of animals and plants decompose and return to the soil, and soil fertility increase. It is enriched with all kind of nutrients. These all nutrients promote the growth of plants. Okay, so the large number of trees are grow in the forest. Okay, sometimes to fulfill the needs of human beings, so they used to cut down all kind of trees. That is a great threat to forest. So human activities increase day by day, and that will be the great threat to forest. So they will be cut down all the trees. So that is called deforestation. So what do you mean by deforestation? Deforestation is the permanent destruction or conversion of forest area for the other purpose. So either they cut down all the plants, all the trees, and otherwise this forest area convert into agricultural land or something. So due to this process, large number of trees cut down every day. So that is the destruction of forest or deforestation. Okay, so it is because of human activities. So what are the causes of this deforestation? The main thing is overpopulation. So our country also facing a main problem, that is increasing population. So day by day increase the number of people in our country. So this overpopulation cause the deforestation. And when the population increase, the human activity increase, their needs increase, so they will cut down all the forest and the deforestation take place. And next one is agriculture. So human population increase, they want food, they need to cultivate crops, so that's why they cut down nearby the forest and they will be may convert this forest into agricultural land. So that's also one of the cause of deforestation. Next one, human settlement. So when the population increase, they need houses for they need shelter, so they will make very big skyscrapers and as well as small huts. For that they are cutting down trees. That's also cause of deforestation. And making furniture for their luxurious life, they are making lot of furnitures, so that's also make deforestation. And next one, fuel for their preparation of food, their preparation of other things, they need fuel, so for that they cut down all the trees and they will use like a charcoal, so that's why the decrease the number of trees and deforestation take place. And last one is forest fire. It is not because of human activities, due to the climatic change and due to the high temperature, sometimes the forest caught fire. So if there is a spark, there should be a fire. So large number of trees are burned and the area will be cleared by this forest fire. So that's also cause of deforestation. So deforestation is a great threat of forest, and it will be cause lot of problems to our animals and as well as human beings. So it is all done by the people only or human activities only. So these are the cause of deforestation. Okay, so this is a great threat to forest. To prevent, we have to take a lot of measurement for this. Now these are the causes of deforestation. So what are the harmful effects of this deforestation? What are the harmful effect of this deforestation? Deforestation means decrease the number of trees, and large area will be covered with either skyscrapers or otherwise agricultural land. And so what are the effects of this deforestation? So deforestation increase the soil erosion, because if there is no plants, so if it is a heavy rains, so there will be no canopy. If there is no forest, there should not be a branch or crown of trees. And what happened? There should be no canopy, so the raindrops fall into the ground directly. So if there is a canopy, the drop by drop, the raindrops will be fall on the earth. So if there is no canopy, it will be fall directly, and it is what increase the soil erosion. And so due to deforestation, lot of species will be nowadays distinct from the earth, disappear from the earth. So it is because of deforestation. Next one is increase the concentration of CO2. So CO2 means carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide also a greenhouse gas. So it will cause the global warming. Global warming means all over the world increase the temperature. So if the temperature increase, there will be lot of problems arise. So it is because of deforestation. Deforestation increase the concentration of CO2 or carbon dioxide. And next one is what? Flood. Due to soil erosion, there should be a possibility of flood. And also it destroy the ecosystem. Okay, so these are the harmful effect of deforestation. And so the forest is what really a lifeline, because of what lot of reasons we have learned in the beginning. So there are so many importance of forest, so we have to protect it. Okay, so it will be the forest will give you oxygen, abundance of oxygen. It what balance the CO2 and oxygen in the atmosphere. It will be give shelter to the small organism, to the multicellular organisms, and it also increase the fertility of the soil, and it also give so many medicines, and it also give wax and honey, such that things. The forest is used for the what making furnitures, and so due to these reasons, the forest is our lifeline. So you should not destroy it, you should not cut down, you have to protect it. You have to plant a small tree every year, then it will be increase the number of trees, and there should be what we will get good oxygens. So we will get good oxygen. At least plant a small tree once in a year, so that will be increase the oxygen concentration, and it will be protect all over the world. So that's why forest is our lifeline. Okay, today I'm going to wind up the session. So this was the last topic. So we will go for the annual examination. So dear students, please prepare for your exam well, and thoroughly read your textbook, and study the question answers which is given in the textbook, as well as which is given in the notebook. Okay, so today I'm going to end the session. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.